Hey traders and investors, it's Serge Berger here. Today I want to have a look at Tesla. Tesla came back on my radar yesterday as a stock had sort of been coiling up below resistance. We'll look at the immediate term chart in just 1 second. Just to give you a little perspective, again, I think when looking at Tesla, we had an ultra steep chart slope as a stock sort of started climbing basically. In the spring of 2013, that now, in looking at it from this perspective, doesn't look like it was a very steep chart. But if you just kind of zoom out a little bit, you see how steep that was. Overbought readings were then basically worked off very nicely in the back end of 2013. And then the next rally started taking place into the February of this year. The highs in February 2014. We then had another dip right back down to the 200-day moving average, which is really where support was, and then made a series of higher lows, all of which is being supported by the relative strength index, RSI, which at this point too hasn't made a higher high yet, just like price, and that's actually pretty good. If we now zoom in a little more closely into this chart, you can see this series of higher lows off of the May low pretty good. At some point, the index managed to get back above its 150-day moving averages, which are these blue and yellow ones respectively, and ultimately came back and revisited the February highs basically in very early this month, and then fell into sort of a consolidation area here, right below this resistance. To me, odds here favor a move higher, an ultimate break higher, maybe move to about $280 before things can go lower. But we do need a break above, let's say, 265, 266. And confirm that move for at least 30 minutes, maybe an hour or so, and kind of be able to sustain that above there for a move into 280. So, looking at the chart, it's very difficult to short this index, this stock, in my opinion, given this consolidation area, tight consolidation and coiling up right below this lateral resistance area. So odds here favor a move to the upside. My point really, more than anything, more than even just pointing out this trade, is to not fight the trend. Really just remain with the trend, guys. It's just much easier both on your SOL and on your P&L statement at the end of the year. Hope this makes sense, guys. As always, if you got any questions, you can hit me up on Twitter. My Twitter handle is SteadyTrader, and I'll see you in the next video.